Hello and welcome to Future Proofing Your Business podcast series by Microchannel Services. New technologies are emerging all the time. It's crucial for business owners to stay on top of the latest developments to ensure their business model is future-proof. My name is Tim Lee and I'll be hosting the first session. Joining us today is Ryan Walker. Ryan, can you please give us a quick intro of your role at Microchannel?
Thanks, Tim. At Microchannel Services, I'm the CRM Practice Manager, which governs the entire CRM practice for Microchannel Services. I specialize in running the practice and also in terms of solution design, helping my team architect particular solutions. I am also a recognized P-seller for Microsoft Australia.
Thanks, Ryan. To get straight into it, we'll kick into question one. Ryan, what does big thinking for SMBs mean for companies today, and especially in future-proofing?
So how SMBs take advantage of modern solutions is by using the Office 365 stack by Dynamics. In the Office 365 stack, you have solutions that are available to SMBs that previously had a huge cost of implementation. Historically, in the SMB space, you have your servers that sit in the back room, you have the infrastructure costs, you also have the cost of actually maintaining that infrastructure and making sure that that infrastructure and the applications that run on that infrastructure are current. There's also a cost of spinning up that infrastructure and installing the relevant software on those servers. Now, by leveraging Office 365 and leveraging the applications that are within Office 365, it means that there's a total shift. You don't have that infrastructure cost. You do not have that cost to maintain. You also do not have the cost to actually implement the solution. So what you are able to do is you're able to compete with the enterprise space competitors. You're able to easily spin up CRMs, you're able to easily spin up SharePoint, you're able to easily leverage Office 365 and the collaborations of those applications that run inside of Office 365. What this means is it means an increased productivity for staff members. It also means an immediate return on investment by having that increased productivity. And then from a dynamic CRM perspective, it enables your SMB to really compete against your enterprise competitor. You get the exact same application that your enterprise competitor would get, as well as you can leverage the add-on products such as dynamic social listening. You also have dynamics marketing. You have add-on products such as Parature. And this really enables you as the SMB to consume the products that you're going to use at the end of the day. You can then also leverage, as I said before, the entire Office 365 stack. There is collaboration between Dynamics CRM and Excel Online, and this is a fantastic and great benefit to an SMB, whereas previously you needed a full IT team to implement some of these solutions.
So there's a lot of pressure on SMBs to act like enterprise level businesses. How do SMBs give the same level of customer service then as enterprise level counterparts?
Well, firstly, the way that you give the same customer experience is by leveraging the same technology. And I think in today's day and age, that's a key differentiator in terms of customer experience. You know, if you're servicing a customer, you have to have the same tools to service that customer. And that's where Office 365 and Dynamics CRM come into the forefront, is the fact that it offers the SMB the same applications or the same software to have that customer interaction and service the customer at the end of the day. Now, previously, this was almost impossible because there was a huge cost of upfront investment to spin up some of these applications. And with the event of Office 365 and Dynamics CRM being available on the cloud, it gives the SMBs the ability to service the customer in the exact same way that the enterprise competitor would do this. And by nature, SMB is all about customer service, and it's all about creating a point of differentiation and actually better servicing your customer that you can grow your business.
So speaking about growing businesses, Microsoft ran a video series called Modern Biz. I believe you helped a company called Guardian Strata, which was a hardworking business with essentially archaic systems. You essentially went in there, overhauled their tech, and presented them a solution that they previously never had access to. How did the business adopt and take advantage of this massive escalation of technological advance?
So the easiest way of understanding how modern technology can positively uplift a business is by looking at the actual video that we did for Guardian Strata. Over there you can actually see how implementing an enterprise-based application into an SMB actually uplifted not only the users, but also was able to give Guardian Strata the tools that they needed to service their clients at the end of the day. And you know, what we need to realize in the SMB space is it's all about speed of servicing your client and actively giving your client the information that they request quickly and efficiently. So by leveraging this technology stack, this enterprise technology stack that wasn't previously available for SMBs, you're now able to have a direct compete with the enterprise space. So what this means for SMBs is it means increased productivity for staff, it means better efficiency for customers, and at the end of the day, the return on investment is growth and more money in the bank.
Thanks, Ryan. Your time today is much appreciated. And I believe we'll have you next time talking about the single source of truth.
Yes, Tim, that is correct. And I look forward to catching up with you guys and talking around that.
Thank you, Ryan.
Cheers.
And if anyone has any questions regarding the topics that we discussed, feel free to email us on info@microchannel.com.au. And remember to have as a subject line, podcast. Thank you again. And we hope to see you for our next podcast, which will be the single source of truth.